Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn how to pass the data between the components in Vue.js using props. So basically I'm using the Vue 3. So let's see how we are going to pass the data. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here I'm going to add this component into my main component. Let's open the code. So here we have the source app main component. So here I'm going to add the main component. Now I'm going to create a child component. Okay, so here I'm going to paste the child component over here. So it's what child component dot view. Okay, so here we go with the message, right? And here we have in the components that's a hello world, right? So here we have the app.view. Let's try to run automatically. It's there. Okay, hello from the parent is coming, right? So here you can see what pass data between the components. So basically in the parent component, so here you can see that in the parent component, this is the child component, right? And this is the parent message. So here you can see that in the main component we have a message that is hello from the parent, and in the child component how we are passing it. Okay, here you can see that message and the parent message, the data. Okay, then in the child component, okay, here we are calling the child components child component, and the child component we are calling the message. So here you can see using the props, here you can see that where we pass the data from the main component to the child component using the props. Okay, so here we are calling the props and use the message. Okay, so whatever in the main component we have message that is hello from parent will come into the child component, like using the props method. Okay, so whenever you want to send the data from one component or parent component to the child component using the props, this method will help you. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.